Let's see how much I weigh this morning. There we go. Solid. 158.2, down 0.6 pounds since yesterday. Alright guys, so for meal one, I made some maple French toast overnight oats. I just put it in the fridge overnight. So I got 1/2 banana mashed in it, 1 cup rolled oats, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of Walden Farms maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of flaxseed meal, and a 3/4 cup of almond milk. So then I got some Yerba Mate tea on the side with a scoop of creatine in it. So this is meal one, and I'll see you guys at CrossFit. I'm gonna do like a cool transition. So we'll spin around. Jeez, still in the same place. Oh yeah, I must have forgot something. Gotta give you guys a taste test. I just put 80 grams of banana on top as well. Look at this. That was good. That's really good. Alright. Let's go to CrossFit now. Well, made it. Alright guys, we're gonna start off this workout with some garbage snatch balance. Balance is 2.5. Just get used to that overhead position of snatch. Alright, I'm next we're working some snatchers, 3 sets of 2, 85% to 1 rep max. I realized I should be filming in full HD instead of HD because I was filming in HD and it was a picture which is awesome, like lighting and stuff. So now this is full HD, it should be a lot better. Alright guys, so next we got some front level band pull down, so we're going in the hollow position. Did my first muscle up. Super stoked. That wasn't my first. That was like my first on camera, but that was my actual first one. Yeah, that was my first muscle up. Yeah, strict muscle up. I'm just pumped right now. I'm excited. All right, so for the WOD, we got a 12-minute EMON, every minute on the minute, alternating. Row 10 calories, and then ring support times 30 seconds. So you're gonna row 10 calories first, and then the second minute you're gonna hold the ring support for 30 seconds. So I'm just waiting on them.
3, 2, 1, let's go! 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1.
That was fun. And we're back on. So for meal two, we got some strawberry mini muffins. Actually, they're pretty big, so strawberry muffins. So I put 1 cup of flour in it, half a tablespoon of baking powder, 3 teaspoons of sugar, a splash of almond milk, 1/2 egg, 1/8 cup of applesauce, and 1/2 cup of strawberries. So then I preheated the oven to 375 and put it in the oven for 20 minutes, and they just turned out fantastic. So we're gonna put on some Walden Farms maple syrup on top to finish it off. All right, here you go. First bite. Wow, so good. Look at the inside of that. Scale 1 to 10, 9 out of 10, for sure. Gotta leave some room for improvement. No, my pancake. All right, guys. So I was really trying to go for that spinning catch of the pancake, but that didn't work out so well. It still looks amazing. So we got 2 servings of Kodiak cake pancake mix, about 94 grams of banana, and 32 grams of almond butter, and then we got some Walden Farms maple syrup on it as well. So I'm just gonna enjoy this. This looks absolutely amazing. And then we're gonna go hit the gym. So, oh yeah, and over here I got some Death Wish coffee, the strongest coffee in the whole entire world. Like, that stuff just wakes me right up. Look at that. Wow. Out of this world. We made it to the gym. Alright, so today we're doing some deadlifts. So I got RP of 6 today on deadlifts. Alright guys, so we're starting with 350 pounds. We'll see how this feels. This is my first set here. I just warmed up. We're move up accordingly. See how I feel. So we have 1 top set. So my 5x5, my 5th set should be the heaviest. This is what I'm listening to right now. Love the Way You Lie. This song is so old. N&N. Eminem. Eminem. That's how you pronounce it. Eminem. Like Eminem. Alright guys, so moved up 10 pounds. It felt kind of easy, kind of not, so I'm just moving up by the side. Alright guys, so I looked over that film. That looked pretty easy. I bet I could get 4 more on that, so I'm gonna go up by another 5 pounds and see how that feels.
Writing down every word you said just to watch them go to flames.
Alright guys, so it just progressed throughout. Like, I felt bad on the first set. And now, third set just feels awesome. So we're gonna go up 10 pounds. Alright guys, we're on my last set. I think I'm just gonna do 355 and call it there, my top set. Because this is supposed to be only an RP of 6. So that means I have 4 left in the tank. So we're gonna do 355 for the last set.
Writing down every word you said just to watch them go to flames.
Alright guys, so I think that's right where I should be. 355, RP6.
Writing down every word you said just to watch them go to flame.
5 strict muscle ups, bring muscle ups. That's what I'm shooting for next. Got my first one now today. We're gonna get 5 next time. Let's do it. Let's work towards that goal. Guys, we got deficit deadlifts next. 2 sets of 6. So we're gonna back up a little bit and show them how to do it. So we're gonna take the bar, obviously, right to mid-shin and then back up. So I'm gonna hold it mid-shin for about 3 seconds.
I'm sick and tired of living in LA, where the sun is out but there's so much shade.
Push, push, push. On you. On you. Nice. There you go.
What's going on, guys? Little takeover here. Got a new PR, 250. Feeling good today. New pre-workout, so subscribe to this kid.
So you're doing a chest supported roast, 3 sets of 12.
Nice to be a Kanye. I stand up like a soldier.
Good set, yeah?
Alright guys, I ended off the workout with 100 leg curls.
100 leg curls.
100 leg curls. See you guys. Alright, we're gonna go with peanut butter cup.
Writing down every word you said just to watch them go to flames.
Do you want that?
Somewhere north of Florida, a little west of Georgia.
Everybody else is having chicken fingers and fries, and I'm having chow. I actually prefer this a lot more. This is so much better. Alright, this is gonna be the last meal of the day. We got a chef salad, 18 ounces of chicken on the grill. Put it on top. Then we got some balsamic vinaigrette, 0 calorie dressing, and we're gonna just drizzle it on. Got tomatoes, mozzarella cheese, croutons, and olives in it as well. Alright, we're ending the night off with some Halo Top ice cream peanut butter cup. I can't wait to try this. I cannot wait. Look at that. Alright. That's pretty good. That tastes just like a Reese's peanut butter cup. This is gonna be the end of the video. Quote of the day. There are no gains without pains. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.